Let's take a look at how we can use the SQL order by clause. Now, what is the purpose of the order by clause? The order by clause is your way of telling the database to sort the results of your query in a particular way. You can tell the database to sort the results in ascending or descending order by using the following keywords at the end of the order by clause. So, ASC would stand for ascending, and DESC would be for descending order. Now, the order by clause also allows for you to sort multiple columns. Let's take a look at this in practice. So first, let's do a select statement on our contact table to look at the information. Now, as you can see, it returned 19,972 records, and the information is jumbled. No particular order on any of the columns. Now let's sort the information in ascending order by the first name column. So to do that, we'd add the order by clause and supply it with the column we're interested in sorting by. So in this case, the first name. And we'd add ASC to indicate that we want it in ascending order. So let's execute. And as you can see, the information is now sorted in ascending order by the first name column. So it starts from A and goes all the way down to Z. Now let's say that we wanted to see the information in reverse, so descending order. So we change this keyword to DESC and execute. Now, as we are seeing, the information is sorting with the Z starting at the top, going all the way down to the A. Now, how different would the data look if we were to sort by the last name column? So we're going to sort it in by last name, and we're going to keep it in descending order. So as you can see now, the last name column is what is being sorted, with the last name starting with Z, going all the way down to A. Now the order by clause, it has a default function. So if we don't specify the order we'd want the data to be sorted by, it will default to sorting the information in alphabetical order. So we're removing the descending, and we're just going to execute without specifying the order. And as you can see, the information is now sorted by last name in ascending order from A to Z. Now, the order by also allows for you to sort by multiple columns. So what we'll do is we're going to add the sorting criteria to include the first name. Now, we're going to sort both by last name and first name in ascending order. So we'll separate the criteria by including a comma and then specifying the next column. And because we are not telling the database the order we'd want to sort the information, it will default to sorting the information in alphabetical order, in ascending order. Now, before I execute, just take a look at the 6th and the 7th row. The information is currently in ascending order by last name. However, if you notice, the first name has the Sam before Hazim. Now, when we're executing this, let's see what will happen. Now, as we're seeing, Hazim is now showing before Sam, and that's because we're sorting the information in alphabetical order by the last name first, then the first name. So as you can see, Hazim is now showing before Sam. Now, we are able to also sort the information by not specifying the column name, but by specifying the position of the column. So let's remove this and say we want to sort the information by the last name in descending order. So the last name is the second column. So what we can do is put the position value of 2, and then we'll specify the order we'd want it to sort by. So in this case descending, so with a DSC, and we're going to execute. Now, as you're seeing, we're seeing the information sorted by the position, which would be last name, as it is the second column in descending order. Now, how would the data look if we were to sort by the phone number and then the first name? So we're going to do this by position. We're going to sort the phone number in ascending order. So we'll change this. So we're not going to specify the order, because by default it will default ascending. So actually we're going to put the position value of 4, as we want to sort by the phone number first. Then we're going to sort by the first name column in descending order. So as you can see, the information now is sorted with the order by starting with the phone number first and then going by the first name. Now you may wonder, why is it that the phone number is sorted in this way, a numerical value with information that would have less digits coming after. Now the phone number, when it is stored in the database, it's stored in a string format. Therefore, the first value in this string is 1, and 1 is the lowest number that is represented in the table. So if there was a phone number that started with a 0, then the 0 would be there. It's not starting in a numerical order where the phone numbers that had, what's this now, 10 digits appearing before the phone numbers that have a larger amount of digits. So this is just a quick run through of how you can use the order by clause and the different ways you can make reference to the columns